Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Dell 22 monitor, and now I'm gonna show you how to reset all color settings on this device. Firstly, you need to press on one of the navigation buttons, then click Settings. Then, using these two arrows, you can navigate by this menu. So, scroll down and choose Color Hero and click on the right arrow. Then scroll down 2 times and click Reset Color. Great! That's it. Color settings has been reset. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.